For years, foldable phones have felt like that cool concept car you see at a motor show. Impressive, futuristic, but not quite something Apple would actually ship. And yet, right now, it looks like Apple is preparing to drop its first foldable iPhone right alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. Here's the interesting part. The foldable iPhone's display is reportedly entering mass production in July. That's the exact same window Apple typically ramps up production for its Pro models, which basically tells us one thing: this isn't some experimental side project anymore. If production timelines line up, we're looking at a September launch next to the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. And this isn't a simple phone. We're talking about a completely new hinge system, custom components, and a flexible display that Apple is reportedly trusting solely to Samsung for. Even LG Display has apparently been sidelined for this one. That alone tells you how seriously Apple is taking quality control here. Foldables are complicated. There are a million ways this can go wrong. Display creasing, hinge durability, software scaling, battery management. It's a lot. Now, at the same time, Samsung isn't sitting still. There are strong rumors about a wider Galaxy Foldable potentially launching with the Galaxy Z Fold 8. So there's a very real chance Samsung's version of this wider foldable design could already be in people's hands before Apple even finishes ramping up display production. Which means by the time Apple launches, the market will already have some idea of what works and what doesn't. But here's where Apple might flip the script. Battery. According to a new leak, Apple is testing battery capacities starting at 5,500 mAh for the so-called iPhone Fold. And that's big. For context, the current battery king in Apple's lineup is the iPhone 17 Pro Max at around 5,088 mAh. The standard iPhone 17 sits way lower, and the lighter models are even smaller. So if this foldable actually crosses 5,500 mAh, we're looking at roughly a 10% jump over Apple's current biggest battery. Now, of course, numbers on paper don't tell the full story. A foldable iPhone would have a much larger internal display, more pixels, more multitasking, 2 display modes. All of that eats power, so that extra capacity might not automatically translate into 2-day battery life. But it does show Apple understands one thing very clearly. You cannot launch a premium foldable that dies by 4 p.m. And let's be honest, Apple usually wins on efficiency, not just raw specs. If they pair a larger battery with their next-gen silicon and tight software optimization, this could actually end up being one of the strongest battery performers in the lineup. Imagine a foldable that not only unfolds into a mini tablet, but also comfortably lasts all day. That would instantly remove one of the biggest pain points of current foldables. That said, I still wouldn't rush to buy the first generation. Foldables are evolving fast, hinges improve, displays get stronger, software gets smarter. Even if Apple nails it, version 2 is almost guaranteed to be more refined. Early adopters always pay the innovation tax. But here's the bigger picture. Apple entering the foldable space isn't just about another phone. It's about validation. Once Apple moves, developers optimize. Accessories follow, the ecosystem adapts. And suddenly foldables stop being niche and start becoming mainstream. Right now, everything is still in rumor territory. Apple hasn't confirmed anything. We haven't seen the final design. We don't know how thin it'll be, how visible the crease will be, or what the pricing looks like. But the production timeline suggests this is real. And the battery leaks suggest Apple isn't playing small. If this launches in September next to the iPhone 18 Pro, that keynote could be one of the biggest iPhone events in years. The real question is, would you actually switch to a foldable iPhone on day one? Or are you waiting to see if Apple truly nails it first? Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one.